Meaning of empower.
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 Empower. The term empower means to give someone the authority or power to do something. This act of empowerment often leads to positive outcomes, such as increased confidence, independence, and productivity. When individuals are empowered, they feel a greater sense of control over their lives and are better able to make decisions that benefit themselves and those around them. Empowerment can also lead to positive societal changes, such as the creation of more inclusive and equitable communities where individuals feel valued and respected. Ultimately, empowerment enables people to achieve their goals and reach their full potential.